I'm gonna teach you how to pin curl hair. Now, as you'll notice on Missy, I just did a nice blowout and her curls are still warm. I actually achieved those curls with a curling iron. While they're still warm, this is the key. I'm gonna go ahead, take the section that I want to pin up. I'm gonna rake it through my hands. What you wanna do is keep your hands at the base of the curl, wrapping the hair in, grabbing it with your fingers. And a pin curl is a curl that is pinned at the base. So I have these nice little pins that you can get at most beauty supply stores. The reason that you can do pin curls is because at the end, when you let everything down, it gives you a little bit of a lift and volume, but it also maintains the shape of the curl so that while you work on the rest of the head, these curls can be setting in place so that once you let it down, they haven't dropped. So now I will move to this side, and once again, I am putting my hands at the base of her hair, with my other hand wrapping the hair around 2 fingers, slowly feeding the hair in. Once you feel like you've got it pretty secure, I'm gonna take these pins, and obviously you wanna pin it at the base. Now once I move to this side, a bigger section like this, if you wanna pin curl the whole section, you can actually use a duckbill clip. Those are longer, generally about 4 inches or so. Let me start towards the bottom of this section. Again, wrapping the hair with my opposite hand around 2 fingers, pulling the hair all together, and pinning it at the base. You can pin from the top and the bottom just to make sure it stays pretty secure while you move on to the rest of the head. And my last section, taking my 2 fingers, wrapping, like I said, this is a great way to achieve volume. It's also a really good way to make the curls last because it's almost essentially like they're sitting in a roller, so they're gonna have time to cool off so that once you release them, they'll be beautiful. As you can see, all of the pin curls were done away from the face. Unless you're doing an old Hollywood look or some kind of vintage look, a seasonal piece from the 20s or 30s, you want all the hair away from the face. So this is how you pin curl.